Hello guys, welcome to Nascent Tutelage. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add your signature to a document. So if you have a document in a soft copy form or in an electronic form, which requires that you assent your signature to that particular document, you do not have to print it out and then sign on the document and then having to scan it to have the soft copy form of the document again. There is an easy workaround where you do not have to print out the document, okay, but you'll be able to assent your signature to the electronic document. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. Now, before we begin with today's video, if you are here watching this video, enjoying our content, and you have still not subscribed, that is not fair. Just hit on the subscribe button. It doesn't take much effort. It's just within seconds. And then subscribe to our channel. This motivates us to create more engaging content for you. Now that we are officially on good terms, shall we begin with today's video? So first of all, open your browser and search for Canva. Now when you search for Canva, you need to create an account with Canva if you don't have an account with Canva. Okay, and then once you sign up for Canva, you need to open the option that says Photo Editor. So look for Photo Editor on your Canva and click on that one. If you are using a mobile phone, the view is going to be a bit different. So you just look around and then find the option that says Photo Editor, and then you would have to upload a photo. Now this photo you are going to upload is the photo of your signature. So first of all, you should have signed your signature on a piece of paper and then taken a photo of it, saved on your phone or your laptop. And then under this option of upload, you are going to upload that particular signature of yours. So select that signature image and then upload it. Now when you upload it onto Canva, look for the option that says create a design, then open that option. Now it will take you to a new tab. Now you need to label that tab, you need to title it my signature, just for future reference. So whenever you have to use this particular signature, you can just have access to it on your camera. Okay, so just save it as my signature. Now we are going to edit the signature. This is because perhaps you signed it on a piece of paper, so you don't want the background of the picture of the paper to be on the signature. So we need to take that out. So on the top, you will see the option that says BG remover, that's background remover. Click on it, and then the system will take off the background, which is the piece of paper in which you wrote your signature on. Now that it has taken it, all you need to do is to download it. So you go to share and then you click on download. Now there are different options for you to download. Pay keen attention to this particular aspect. So when you look at the file type, you have the JPEG, you have the PNG. Now you're going to choose the PNG because it allows you to take off the background and it allows the image to be in a transparent form. So now after selecting the PNG, there are three options underneath it which says limit file size, compress, and then transparent background. Now you have to select the transparent background and then you just download the image, which is your signature. Now that you've downloaded the image, all you need to do is to open the document which you are asked to assent your signature. So this is a sample document, a research proposal, which is asking for my signature. So when you open the document, just move your mouse cursor to the point of the document where you have to accent your signature. So as you can see, my signature has to be somewhere here. So I put the mouse over there. Then you go to the ribbon and select insert, choose pictures, and then choose the first option which says this device. Now it will open a sub menu for you to access the file. So this is the signature I just worked on Canva. So I'm going to upload it because it has a transparent background. So I'll just insert it. And as you can see, it is here. So all I need to do is to adjust the size so that it fits into the space within the document. So we just have to adjust it. Now, as you adjust the document, you will see this particular thing on the right hand side of the image, the layout options. You might be wondering what is it. So when you click on it, you will see that automatically the option that it has chosen is in line with the text. Now you need to change that to the option that says in front of text. This is because we want the transparent background to show. As you can see in this option, it is covering the lines, the dotted lines that we already have, but we want it to show as well. So when you click on the image and you right click, and you click on the option that says layout, choose the very last option which says in front of text. Now what do you see? You see that the image now comes in front of the document where you have to put your signature, and it feels so natural. So you can now move it and then just put it at the right place where you want the signature to be. And just like that, you see the signature neatly done. And then you just save it and then submit. So this is an easy way of working around this. Now, if you have another document that you have to accent your signature, all you need to do is to upload the signature you already have and then insert it. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you in the next one.